membership. Minsan yung voters registration, yun yung nagiging proof of residence nila. In the absence of other proof. Pero hindi siya requirement per se para makakuha ng mga serbisyo sa LGU ng Pasig.
Okay. Well, we don't have enough time today, but I do hope that we can cover it because we're talking about the programs of Pasig also. Before we end, some light notes for you is this. Alright? So, I'll ask your legacy later, but at the end, this is your last term. Yung iba nagpapasa sa pamilya, sa anak, sa asawa, right? But for good governance, some of them feel a relative or somebody they know will continue their projects. Paano si Vico Soto? Anong plano mo?
But definitely, I don't have any relatives in politics or interested in politics here in the city of Pasig. What's more important is that we develop new leaders, especially younger leaders. So that's part of what I'm going to focus on in the next 3 years. And even beyond my term, that's one thing that I'm really going to focus on, leadership development and empowerment of young leaders.
Oh, your father was quoted as saying that you could be the next president of the Philippines. And what supporters, believers, also thinking Vico Soto is the president we need. When you hear that, what do you think?
Well, the first thing that I think is that sana hindi sila gawin mag-isip. Tatay ko, hindi ko makikita yung tatay ko eh. Tatay ko yun eh, hindi ko siya maawat. Of course, when I hear good things being said about me, of course I appreciate it. But I hope that people will look beyond the position or possible positions in the future. And number one, focus on what we're doing now. And second, focus on how we can make sure that the changes that we've done here in Pasig will become long-term and institutionalized.
So, hindi ka ambisyoso. Yun yun. Di mo ba naisip yun?
Sa akin, hindi siya tungkol sa posisyon eh. Sa totoo, excited na ako matapos yung term ko. I'll still have to do whatever I can, but I'm actually excited for my term to finish.
Kahit congressman na ayaw yung takuin na magpalit.
Honestly, I don't think I'd make a good congressman. I don't think I'd make a good senator either. I'm just being honest with myself.
You're like Lenny Robredo when I spoke with her. She said, I don't think I'd make a good senator per se because I love public service directly to the people. So to end, Mayor Vico, you've been granted another landslide and a win for your last term. Ano ang pangako mo sa mga taga-Pasig ngayon on your last 3 years?
Ngayon ko nga sinasabi sa mga chorus namin, sa mga rally namin, kami sa ibig ng Pasig, hindi kami malilit mga ako.